Hello everyone, my name is Mike Bishop, here to give you an inside scoop of the iFP KP.200. Now this machine is our high volume machine. So if you have a multi-spindle shop or you're just processing a lot of parts at once, this machine could be a great option for you. For this KP.200, from a size perspective, just to give you a glimpse, from the left side of the machine to the right, including the automation, is about 16 feet. From the front of our automation to the back of the machine is about 15 feet. And the height of the machine is about 10.5 feet tall. So a very compact washer, however, being able to process a large volume of parts in a short cycle time. Our cycle time is anywhere from 9 to 15 minutes, depending on all the things that you need to do, but that is including the 100% dry parts that come out on the other side. Then the other key thing is because of the distillation rate that's running in our machine and the filtration, you get a very consistent and repeatable washing process, which is always what customers are looking for. They don't want to be non-stop checking their machine, making sure it doesn't get too dirty. And with an iFP, the vacuum degreaser, that headache goes away. The oil is separated out, the chips are separated out. It makes it, one, a lot less maintenance for people to run, but getting that consistent, clean process, which is always what our customers are looking for. Right here you see our setup of our automation. This can actually line up 4 individual wash programs on our automation. And once your team starts running the production, all they have to do is hold down the load button, and now it's going to automatically, consistently push the basket in, run the washing cycle, and when it's finished, discharge that one out and put the next one in. This really has freed a lot of people up from labor of individually moving baskets from one side to the other and so on. With this machine, there's several different options you can do for baskets. So for our standard basket, which is about 18 inches this way, 12 inches this way, and about 8 inches in height. That is our standard size basket that you could wash 4 of those in one wash load. Now, you do have an option on going to what we call our half size basket, and this one is about 24 inches this way, and again 18 here and 8 inches high. Or we have had some customers that say, look, I want one big long basket because I got a long part, or maybe they're just putting all the same part number in a basket and they want to do it all in one batch. So there are several different options you can manage with putting your parts into the iFP machine, and we're always available to help consult you on what our experience is and what would work best for your shop. Now, the other key highlight on this KP.200 is the ability to 100% separate the oil and the chips out of your parts so that you get a very consistent cleaning process time over time. We had a customer that was changing out their wash tank every 3 days just so they could hit a cleaning spec. Now they have an iFP KP.200 machine. They have only added 50 gallons of solvent in the course of a year and a half of running production, where again, before, they changed their water tank out every 3 days, and then they had to take that water and dispose of it. So the sheer cost they had just from the disposal costs on this machine was huge. Not to mention every single part that they got out of their old washing process, they had to spray dry to do the final drying process. When it comes out of our machine, 100% bone dry.